Do you need a health or medical disclaimer? Answer is yes for a couple reasons. First reason is for clarity. You want your audience to know what you do and what you don't do. Let's say you're a physical therapist and you are providing recommendations on how to heal the body, something along those lines. What you want to do, let's say you're on an online course, not in person, you want to highlight a few things just to make sure your audience is crystal clear. You want to highlight, hey, I'm not a physician. I have limitations. You may have an underlying condition that I don't know about because I'm not working with you directly. And also I may not have the expertise to see the correlation or have been trained in that. All you're trying to do is explain to your audience your limitations so that they can make a decision as to using your information or not using it, or going to see a physician. That's all you're really trying to do, is to say, like, if I'm an attorney, I'm giving general information. I'll say, look, this is just general information. There may be something about your facts in your case that I would recommend differently. So you just want to be clear, this is general information. Seek farther, advice from a medical or health professional. To me, that doesn't limit your ability to still give general advice. I do it on this channel all the time. For example, you'll see me say, all right, go get an LLC. Don't worry about those other entities. That doesn't work 100 out of 100 times, but it's most likely and it's good general information. A lot of that's true with health as well. The second reason is it's just so easy to do. It'll cost you just a little bit of time. You can use a drafted legal template, or you can use find something that you like online from a reputable source, attorney drafted, that just covers the basics. What I would do is put it somewhere, a healthy or more robust one that explains some of those things I just mentioned before. And then if you have a video, you can just say, see our disclaimer. Say, hey, this is general information. You can just pop it up real quickly. You don't have to, every time you talk, go through this big disclaimer before you even say a word. That would be kind of obnoxious and not, getting in the way of you communicating it with your client or with your audience. So I would recommend doing it, and then you just maybe link the disclaimer or just put it, but always reference it and say, go to the disclaimer. Don't take it for granted. The reason why these disclaimers are important is because, people are coming to you with different information, and sometimes someone needs to hear that you're not a physician, or what your limitations, what your training is. That doesn't bring down the value of the information, but it informs that audience member of varying knowledge and experience in this world of what to expect and whether they need to go somewhere else. I hope that's helpful. I hope you can get it real simple. You'll see that we do simple ones. There's a disclaimer on drafted legal, and we try to keep them discreet, but we also just want people to know, how we can help them and where the limitations are. I think that's, good advice for any health, wellness, fitness sort of person, just to make sure you're super clear, and then also protect yourself, just in case someone gets injured and tries to come sue you for something. So I hope that's helpful. Drop a comment if you got any questions. Email us, go to draftedlegal.com. You'll get, to find any other legal protections you need. We've got some good downloads, a lot of free resources. As always, you can get the LLC and templates on there. So best of luck.